Introducing DevelopSQL, a professional SQL editor designed exclusively for Oracle Fusion ERP Cloud. With secure SSO login, you can access your environment seamlessly. The integrated schema browser gives you clear visibility into your tables, views, and relationships. Work becomes faster with ready-to-use reports, helping you analyze data without building anything from scratch. And when you need to share insights, export your results instantly to Excel or CSV. Every query you run is stored in SQL history, making it easy to review, refine, and reuse for your work. And because DevelopSQL is a desktop application, your data stays securely within your environment, never routed through external servers. SQL, built for Oracle ERP users, focused on efficiency, designed for professionals.